Hey! Hey, I'm here to give an example of finding a greatest common divisor because these can be a little bit weird, and when I look at the notes, when I'm done writing all the work, it is a mess, and it could be intimidating and frightening. So here we go. First of all, we factor things. So we have to factor the 204. Obviously, it has a 2 in it because it ends in 4. 102. There's still another 2 in it. 2 goes 51. 5 plus 1 is 6. That can be divided by 3, so 51 can be divided by 3. 3 goes into the 5 once with 2 left over, and 3 goes into 21 7 times. 17 is a prime number. That one's done. Let's squeeze a little work over here. 765 has to be factored. Obviously, we can put a 5 in there. 5 goes into 7 once with 2 left over. 5 goes into 26. 5 times with 1 left over, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. No more 5s, no 2s, but 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. So there's a 3 in there. 3 goes into 15 5 times and 1. Well, we got a 51. 3 goes into it 17 times. So on the left we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 17 times A times A times B, because A squared means A times A and B squared means B times B. And over here we have 5 times 3 times 3 times 17 times 1A and 3 B's. Now, that's the prime factorization of these two numbers. We want to talk about what do they have in common. They both have a 3. So 3 goes into both of these evenly. 204 a squared b squared divided by 3 is all the stuff other than the 3 that I just circled. And it's a common divisor. It's not the greatest common divisor because we also have a 17 in both of them. And we also have an a in both of them. And we have 2 b's in both of them. But now this one has a 5, a 3, and a b left over. This has a 2, and an a left over. That's it. The greatest common divisor is 3 times 17 times a times b, and we know that 3 times 17 is 51. So that is 51ab squared. I hope that makes some sense. Have a great day.